Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cavi Arquez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be reviewing a premium synthetic wig. Stick around for more details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is Pearl Tresses. This is actually my third collaboration with them. Today I have installed a glueless synthetic wig. This is in the body wave texture. It is a 13x4 lace, so it's a deep parting space. It is on a transparent lace. It does come somewhat pre-plucked. So I'm noticing the lace is slightly darker than my skin. Okay, so this is the unit glueless. You could definitely wear her glueless. That looks better, right? When we just remove that little piece there. Like, it is a synthetic wig, but it doesn't have to scream, "I'm synthetic."
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that
I mean, that's looking pretty good. Like, it's not really giving synthetic. play around with some of these like brown shades to see if we can just kind of blend her. I totally sprayed hairspray in my eyeball. Okay, I'm gonna put my hot comb on setting 1. Actually, that worked really well. Do you see the difference between the two sides? This side's flatter, and then this side is not as flat. We might not even need the hot comb. I kind of want to see though, but I don't want to like burn this thing. I'm scared. Ooh. Mold the hair to where I want it to go. So you can apply heat, just do it in the very like lowest setting. Okay, so now lastly, I want to define my part. Oh, this is bugging me. It's a little high right here. I think I'm gonna try one of these cream contour colors. So just really want that area lighter. It's too dark. Let's see, it's like looking crazy, but we're gonna fix that. So now we just have to blend it in. And this is how you fix a synthetic wig to look more realistic. That looks good. Okay, girl. We're done. I'm gonna try this wide comb. It's always best to get your tangles out from the bottom first, then work your way up. That looks pretty good, you guys. Okay, to finish it off, I'm gonna go in with some dry shampoo just to ensure that it doesn't get tangled. Not a lot of this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. It is premium fiber. As you guys saw, I applied my blow dryer first to really test it to see if the synthetic wig would melt, and that didn't melt it. And then I put my hot comb on the lowest setting, and I did, and I was able to hot comb the roots. I'm really impressed with that. I showed you guys in the beginning how it was worn like glueless. If you wanted to wear it glueless, you definitely can. Now, the wig is beautiful. For a synthetic wig, it's probably like the best one I've received from a company or just in general. It's so pretty. It doesn't look synthetic. Color, I would say it's like a 1B. It's not like totally jet black. I love the density on this unit. We didn't have to remove any amount of hair for this unit. We didn't have to cut it. The lace was looking too dark for me. They said it's transparent, but normally a transparent lace blends with any skin tone. I'm gonna tell you that this was not the transparent lace that I'm used to. You can definitely wear this wig out in public and, you know, work, do whatever, because it's not tangling as much. I would say carry a brush with you, because any synthetic wig, eventually it is gonna start matting up and tangling, but for the most part, like as you run your hands through it, it does detangle if it's forming some snags over time. Nobody would be able to tell that this is not a human hair wig. They did a great job with this unit. This is part of their new glueless collection. I'm gonna leave all the information to Pearl Tresses in the description box. If you're interested in synthetic wigs, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. If you want to see more synthetic wigs, if so, what type of styles you guys want to see next, let me know in the comment section below. I love this wig. I think it's super cute for a synthetic wig. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions about the methods that I did to get the wig to look like this, leave it in the comment section below. I always answer my comments. I get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.